And I could feel it, and I could feel it come in, and I could feel it come in. I kept stopping myself and thinking, because something in the back of my mind knew it was going to be big. But then there was also something in the back of my mind telling me not to go to sleep. And which I'm very grateful for I didn't now. Ultimately, my life was saved. I'm currently on the liver transplant waiting list. This service here within the unit now actually benefits me a lot. I come here for my transfusions, for my regular blood tests, for iron infusions, and it saves me the journeys. Everything is done so professionally, but with such a personal touch also. It really is. This is an amazing unit. And I never fail to smile when I come from here, and that was even at my poorliest days. Poorliest days, I'd still go from here with a smile.
And the main aim of the unit is to stop admissions to hospital and to keep people healthy with a combination of different treatments. Service is predominantly nurse-led because advanced nurse practitioner, clinical nurse specialists fit more into this sort of holistic care. So by coming here, they get a safe environment where they can have the treatment done in a day and sent home on that same day, saving beds in the hospital site. But also, if they're poorly and their bloods come back particularly abnormal, I have the option to step them up to the hepatology or luminal team there, should the need arise. You'd probably be looking at £250,000 a quarter saved in bed stays, but also allowing people not to be stuck in hospital, having carers closer to an external environment. And ambulatory medicine as a whole is an evolving thing. And I know it's one of the key things that people are trying to do within Iron Bevan. The whole point being the patients are ambulatory, they're walking, they can come in, they can go home. They only stay if we really need them to stay. It takes the pressure off the front end, both in ED and MAU. And it just means people are getting the appropriate care, but not necessarily holding bed spaces or being stacked up in A&E unnecessarily. It's been really proud. I mean, you know, some of the work we do here is fairly groundbreaking. Testament to the team. It's not just me, it's the team behind it. It's the consultants who back us up on the phone or via email. It's my team of healthcare support workers, qualified nurse specialists. Everybody has to pull together to get that patient through. And so does the patient does as well. And Kath's a classic example of a patient who's listened to everything we've asked of her, gone along with every treatment we required her to do, and has got better because of it.
Every breath I take, I still feel grateful for. I cherish the most extreme things to the minutest things. Life is a wonderful, wonderful thing. To see my sons grow up, to see something that was going to be robbed from them, and myself, it's just every day. But life is life, and we've got life together, and that's what I'm grateful for.